Salman Khan. You're listening to Masala Radio in Houston with Sunil Thakkar and the Crazy Masala Troupe. Hello, hello.
What's up, party people? This is Sunil on Masala Radio. Drive time, Dhamal. And I love radio because it just kind of connects us to you, and it's just so instant and it's spontaneous. And we're talking about the play that's happening on the 8th of November in Houston, brought to you by the Houston Maharashtra Mandal. And it's great that you have this, that we have this mandal, and I'm a part of the mandal, and you're growing our community and all the Marathis that are living here in Houston. Yes. What's up? Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Maharashtra.
So, what's happening with HMM?
HMM is producing like...
Okay, first of all, 30 seconds on what HMM is.
Houston Maharashtra Mandal आता सादर करत आहे दुर्गा झाली गौरी 8 नोव्हेंबरला कलन.
Durga Sali Gauri means Durga became Gauri.
Durga became Gauri.
Yeah.
And she's a spoiled brat girl like every teenager right now in Houston.
On Facebook.
On Facebook.
Booking
Can't live
Facebook,
without any electronic gadgets.
Changes. And we just took some pictures with the celebrities in the studio.
Yes.
And we're going to update our status as well, so you guys probably get to see what's happening here in the studio. So Sharmila ji, Durga Sali Gauri, and how's the response? Good?
Response is very good.
The reason why it's good is because we've got some celebrities coming here for the...
Yes, it's especially because I'm having here with me Sachin and Supriya Pirgaonkar.
Welcome to the studio, Sachin bhai and Supriya ji. Welcome to Masala Radio. Welcome to Houston. How are y'all feeling?
Thank you, Sunil. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, and we are very well received by you all, and we are awaiting for the 8th night, and मुझे लगता है कि काफी लोगों से मुलाकात होगी. और ये ह्यूस्टन के मराठी मंडल जो है महाराष्ट्र मंडल जी हाँ, वो उसका एक जो प्ले कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग भी उसमें वहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, मौजूद वहाँ पे होने वाले हैं, और कुछ मेरे ख्याल से बतियाने भी वाले हैं, कुछ बातचीत भी होने वाली है.
It would be awesome to have a Q&A. You know, I've always thought when you come here, do a little quick Q&A with you, and it's just great to have you in both you all in the studio.
मैं एक बात बता दूं आपको कि ये जो कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, ये फंड रेजिंग के लिए हो रहा है, और ये बहुत ही मेरे ख्याल से डिवोशनल काम है. उसी वजह से मैं और सुप्रिया भी यहाँ पे डिवोशनली ही आए हैं, प्रोफेशनली नहीं.
We appreciate that.
और हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि सब लोग बहुत ही डिवोशनली इस कार्य में शामिल हों, और ये फंड रेजिंग बहुत ही बड़ा सक्सेस हो.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं सबको नमस्कार कहना चाहूंगी.
नमस्कार.
मला वेळच नाही दिला कोणी सगळ्यांना हॅलो नमस्कार म्हणण्याचा. ह्यूस्टन वासियांना माझा नमस्कार. मग त्याच्यात फक्त मराठीच नाही आले, तर महाराष्ट्रातलेच नाही आले, तर माझ्या भारतातले सगळे लोक जे इथे स्थायिक झालेले आहेत त्या सर्वांना, जो भी यहाँ पे.
I have to tell you that when you speak, I just got goosebumps on my hands.
Oh.
I love my language. I was born and raised in Matunga. I'm from Matunga.
हाँ.
Don Bosco High School.
अरे वाह.
You know, so.
किती सुंदर शाळा आहे ती.
अरे solid सुंदर आहे. And the church and the Rasna Punjab in front of it. And I kind of miss it. I miss my city, my country, my area, Matunga.
I can imagine.
And the way you speak, it just sort of brings back. I feel like I'm back home.
Yeah, really. तर to get to the point, की मी आले हा निरोप घेऊन, आपल्या महाराष्ट्राचा, आपल्या भारताचा निरोप घेऊन आलेली आहे मी इथे या ह्यूस्टन मध्ये, की जे महाराष्ट्र मंडळ आहे. महाराष्ट्र मंडळ म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र ज्याला रिप्रेझेंट करतो असं प्रत्येक तिथे राहणाऱ्याचं मंडळ आहे. सो इट इज नॉट ओनली मराठी मंडळ ऑर एनिथिंग, पण एक प्रयत्न जो होतो आहे, द एफर्ट्स आर बीइंग डन बाय ह्यूस्टन Maharashtra Marathi Mandal.
Everybody in Mumbai must come out to this play.
Not only the play, and also
and support the community.
Support the community. It will give a beautiful platform to all the talent that you have, and which right now I believe and I know that most of the people who are settled here are all engineers and all professional people, but they all have the streak, the creative streak in them, and to be able to perform is a great thing, and that is the passion.
The rush to be on stage.
Exactly. And so yes,
just kind of have that chemistry with the audience.
Yes. आणि ती स्टेज लाईक प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळवून देण्यासाठी there has to be a platform, there has to be a vastu, and that vastu is what is the dream of this Houston Maharashtra Mandal, and we are here to help them to fulfill that dream. That's it.
We've got two icons of our Indian of India here sitting in front of me. Tu Tu Main Main lasted for such a long time.
Yeah.
What was the reason why it just lasted for so long and it just kept connected with the audience? What do you think? You were part of it.
I guess the basic culture of India, daughter-in-law and mother-in-law. So that
Just resonated with everybody, every family.
Yes, but at the end of it, the chemistry was so awesome. मतलब झगड़ों के साथ साथ जो उनमें प्यार था वो इतना strong था कि ये तो कोई झूठ ही बोलेगा कि अगर कहते कि मदर इन लॉ के साथ कुछ भी ऐसे थोड़ा भी नोकझोंक नहीं.
I see it happen every day.
Yes, so
Every day I see it happen.
why not accept it lovingly?
Yeah.
Why not accept that lovingly,
How nice.
joke, and then give
It's a
away.
part of you. It's a part of us.
Exactly.
This is who we are.
So that's the perspective has to change. That's it.
And there's no ideal situation कि ये नहीं होगा, कल से नहीं होगा. Let's have mom-in-law and
आपको शायद मैं पता ना हो, लेकिन तू तू मैं ये सीरियल मैंने बनाई है और उसमें इन दोनों को मैंने कास्ट किया है, सुप्रिया को और रीमा को. और मैं खास तौर पे ये इस चीज पे गौर करना चाह रहा था जब मैंने तू तू मैं बनाई. इतने सालों तक हम बनाते रहे उसको कि हिपोक्रेसी नाम की जो चीज है, जो सास बहू में बहुत बार होती है और होनी पड़ती है, उसको मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया था, उसको एलिमिनेट कर दिया था. और इसीलिए मैं समझ रहा था कि शायद आपको नहीं पता कि ये मैंने बनाई है, इसलिए आप तू तू मैं के सवाल सिर्फ सुप्रिया से कर लेते. नहीं, शक्ल तो उसकी नजर आती थी,
शक्ल तो बिल्कुल,
और रीमा की नजर आती थी सास बहू में, लेकिन उनको करवाता मैं था. आई वॉज अ प्रोड्यूसर एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ तू तू मैं.
Wow! Congratulations, both of you, for this wonderful. You really brought out this little fine. It's such a fine relationship, in a family. You just kind of brought that out. So, आपको सवाल ये था कि wonderful little character. Why did he have to die in Sholay?
That wonderful question you must ask either Salim Javed or Ramesh ji.
He could have not. Why did he have to die? He could have just been beaten. He could have been beaten. I'm sure your dad would have still felt the same pain.
No. It can't be the same,
I mean, his son being beaten and, in ICU.
और मैं एक बात कहूँ, हम एक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो कठपुतलियाँ होते हैं डायरेक्टर के, राइटर के हाथ के. तो ये मतलब पूछने का सवाल ही नहीं आता. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो कोई और पूछते हैं, मुझे अगर पूछते कि आप तू तू मैं की जो बहू बनी थी वो ऐसी क्यों थी, तो मैं इनके तरफ पॉइंट आउट कर सकती हूँ. इन्होंने डायरेक्टर किया.
वो मुझे भाई नहीं कहती.
Did you have any issues about, you cannot live and breathe this every day on the set, at home? Any issues that you bring from the set at home?
No, I don't think we give that much of importance to the work when we get home. And we don't take our home to our work.
So you do draw a line
things all together. At times, हाँ, ऐसा होता जरूर है कि बीवी होने के कुछ undue advantages सुप्रिया लेती है, और मैं उसको हमेशा कहता हूँ कि no, I am a director here, not a husband. ऐसा कहने की बहुत बार मैंने कोशिश की है, लेकिन फिर भी बीवी होती है और वो जानती है कि वो किस तरह से अपनी चीजें मनवा सकती है.
Wow, you guys look so young. You guys are
no. Sorry, we don't look young.
You guys look. You are young. Yeah. We are young. So I'm just going to say Sachin and Supriya. And the question I'm going to do is Rinko, who is in our office, and she's our sales manager, but also a wonderful singer. So Rinko's going to sing 2 lines. What movie is this from? You probably remember this movie. What movie is this from? And can we give a ticket to the play? Can we get a ticket? Okay, I'll play yes, or I can do a full face microderm from one of our sponsors, Prime Laser. We can do one of those, either or.
So how about I tell the movie and I get it?
No, you just sing me 2 lines. And this brings back memories. It did to me when you sang it early, and I said, Rinku, you gotta do it when he's here. So give me 2 lines.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना, और तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
Wow. That's so sweet.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
That's so sweet. All right, so can you help me take these calls and write answers? I want to welcome you to Prime Laser or a ticket to our play that's happening on the 8th, and Sachin and Supriya in the studio. Sachin ji, Supriya ji, Sachin Supriya.
Sachin Supriya sounds better.
Sachin Supriya sounds better, and just like my friends here, and I've seen you for so many years, and I've seen you in these movies and on that Nadi Kinara, you sitting down like this. Where was it?
This was if you're talking about the Balika Badhu.
Yeah,
that was that was in Calcutta.
So some people said that it was Shivaji Park.
No. Shivaji Park doesn't have that.
Are you serious?
Because I'm from Matunga. To me, the best beach in the world is the Shivaji Park beach.
No.
I mean, I've roamed the entire beach up where those black stones are, all the way back and forth. And to me, it's the best beach in the world, Shivaji Park beach.
It could be the best beach. I'm sure मैं आपकी भावनाओं को समझ सकती हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र का शिवाजी पार्क का नजदीकी जो बीच है
Not Chowpatty, not Juhu, not Bandra, Sea Rock.
लेकिन वो नहीं था वो.
Okay, वो नहीं था.
हाँ, वो कलकत्ता में था. कलकत्ता में भी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी उनकी बहुत जगह है वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे
because it seemed empty, it seemed vast.
हाँ,
शांति
निकेतन नाम है उस जगह का. वास्ट है बहुत. उसके एक कोने में हमारे जो डायरेक्टर थे तरुण मुजुमदार, उस फिल्म के, उन्होंने वो जगह चुनी थी और वहाँ पे जाके हमने शूट किया था.
It was such a beautiful scene. Everybody remembers that, and Akshay is here. So we did start, and I want to invite everybody from India, everybody from Bombay, everybody from India, Pakistan. We got a lot of listeners here. We are a very homogeneous community here in Houston. We got Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, and a bunch of non-Indians that also listen to our show. So we try and talk also in English because people like Bollywood. And so we got two personalities from Bollywood right here. They're performing at this play called Durga Zali Gauri, and it's a benefit.
Can I correct you? We are not performing in this, but we are here to give huge support to the performers.
But you will be on stage. People will be able to. I hope there's a Q&A after the play.
We will have a dialogue as such.
Yeah. So you are, but I know an artist. When you walked in here, and when you kind of sat down, but when the mic's turned on, I could just see, like an artist just kind of, in you that just shines. And
no, because I think it is quite, it's an integral part of our life, and we feel charged when we have a mic or a listener in front of us. It doesn't. It suddenly it gives us a spark kind of.
The thought that we are reaching out to people gives us the energy back, So if I'm reaching right now to your Masala radio listeners, then somehow I connected without.
And to me, that is God. That is God, or at least God that I see it. When I see I'm an artist, I love performing and I love to see artists. I'm a big fan of movies. I'm a big fan of live theater. And just when I kind of saw, when I sat down when the mic, I just kind of felt that goosebumpy feeling. And thank you all for being here. And
it's our pleasure. We were looking forward to it, by the way.
Yes.
Awesome.
ये जो आपने कहा ना, that you really like, artist की जो एक streak होती है, जो passion होता है, वो मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान में, सभी में होता है. और वो जब बाहर निकलने का मौका मिलता नहीं है किसी को, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता है. आपको मिला, बहुत ही लकी इंसान है. People who can perform or who do have this platform.
Some people get to really go and be in movies. Like I did the Great Indian Laughter Show a few years ago. Kapil Sharma was hosting the show and I was an artist. I was in the reality show. But Kapil is now such a big. So some people really get to just travel.
Yeah, but then you should have that basic platform to travel further.
Yeah.
So what again I would like to say is Houston Maharashtra Mandal is trying to create the basic platform. And that is what is the most appreciable thing for us. And I guess it's a very noble thing and it's a very noble cause, and I'm sure that everybody in Houston will support this cause.
And another thing I would like to add to it, that 8th they are definitely performing this play. After that, for a little while, we both will be on stage and having a dialogue with whoever asks us the Q&A maybe. But the next thing, that is on the 9th, the Sunday, there is a dinner. And the donors who give donation to this Houston Maharashtra Mandal for this cause would get to be there, the couples, and then they could interact with us a little closely, So that also is planned by the Houston, Maharashtra.
Sharmila-ji, I also want to hear about that and how do we get tickets, because that's something that I did not know about. So could you just let us know how to, in just a minute, Akshay bhai. So one question in Marathi to our guests.
मराठीमध्ये प्रश्न जरूर विचारणार आहे आणि पण त्याच्या आधी व्हॉट आय वॉन्ट टू से जस्ट वन थिंग इज यू सेड दैट द रीच ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी इज मच बियॉन्ड महाराष्ट्र एंड सुनील इन आवर लास्ट फ्राइडे शो हैड गिवन इट ब्यूटीफुल डेफिनेशन ऑफ हु इज अ महाराष्ट्रियन कोई भी जो बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे